Welcome to the Vocabulary in Context lesson. Remember, context is the words that surround an unknown word. And there are 4 types of context clues: synonym clues, contrast clues, example clues, and inference clues. Synonym clues are when there is a word that means about the same thing as the unknown word. Contrast is a word that means the opposite provided in the text. Example is when the text gives you an example that will help you figure out the meaning of the unknown word. And inference is when you just kind of have to use the sense of the sentence to help you figure it out. Let's try some.
During a drought, plants that are indigenous to the area typically do better than non-native plants. What does indigenous mean? Let's think about our types of clues. The words do better than tell me that this sentence is setting up a contrast between plants that are indigenous and plants that are non-native. So non-native would be the opposite of indigenous. Therefore, indigenous must mean native. Let's see if we are correct. The correct answer is native. This is a contrast clue. Non-native is the opposite of indigenous. Now it is your turn. Try another one. Eliminating salt from the diet is a prudent, sensible decision for people with high blood pressure. What does prudent mean? Stop the video here and restart when you think you know the answer. The correct answer is sensible. Sensible is a synonym for prudent. Many times when you see 2 words used together to describe something, these words have similar meanings. Try another one. The wrongfully imprisoned man magnanimously forgave those responsible for putting him behind bars. What does magnanimous mean? Stop the video here and restart when you think you know the answer. The correct answer is generous. Magnanimous means generous, especially in forgiving. This was an example clue. A man who was wrongfully put in prison would have to be very generous to forgive those responsible for putting him behind bars. Want more practice? Check the Extra Practices folder for more resources. Thank you for completing the Understanding Vocabulary and Context practice lesson.